Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing exactly what you need and acting now. Warm the sticker with a warm towel for 20 to 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive and reduces skin pulling. While the skin is warm, apply a few drops of baby oil or a medical adhesive remover to the edge. You do this to dissolve the glue bonds. Once done, lift one corner gently with your fingernail or tape. Maintain a slow, steady motion so the skin moves with the sticker, not against it. You continue with a controlled peel to avoid tears and irritation. Support the skin near the electrode with your free hand and lift the sticker at a low 10 to 30 degree angle. This decreases shear stress on the epidermis. As you peel, apply more oil or remover to any sticky spots and use cotton to blot away dissolved adhesive so it doesn't smear. If resistance increases, stop and reapply warmth or remover. Patience prevents skin damage and reduces pain. You finish by removing all residue and caring for the skin. Use adhesive remover or soap and warm water to dissolve remaining stickiness, then rinse and pat the area dry. Moisturize with a gentle lotion to restore the barrier. Inspect for redness, blistering, or broken skin. If present, avoid repeated peeling and consult a clinician. If residue persists, repeat warming and remover application rather than force. This troubleshooting step reduces trauma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.